Hi there friends, this is the AHA nexcruise, the ultimate upgrade for your car. It's a plug and play universal device which can upgrade any car, any model, any year with a host of features like cruise control, speed limit, economy and sports modes, dial driving, cruise resume and a host of other features, all using plug and play method. User can self-install it and self-remove it, and it only takes a matter of 5 minutes to install in the car. The dial itself is a wireless dial which goes and sits on the cup holder like so, or it can also be stuck using a magnetic holder on the dashboard or anywhere inside the cabin of your car. This dial, and it has a host of buttons which can be used to engage and disengage the various features of the device. It also comes with a companion mobile app. We'll show you now. So let's first see the key feature of the nexcruise, which is the cruise control. It's as simple as pressing this big button and the green LED comes up right here on the light bar, and the car is now cruising. My foot is off the gas pedal and we are going good at a 60 kilometers per hour speed cruising along. And also note the instantaneous fuel efficiency, which is going very high. This is how cruise control helps you save the fuel costs. Normally this car would give around 17 kilometers to a liter, and you can see the benefit right now. Then dial clockwise rotation increases the speed like this. You can see the speed going up. Now it has gone to 70, and now when I rotate it anti-clockwise, this will come back to 60 kilometers per hour. So I can rotate the dial like that to change the speed. Then I have the economy and the sports modes. The buttons are over here. This is the economy mode. I can see the mode LED coming up in yellow color, which indicates that the car is now in economy mode. Basically what's happening is it is suppressing, or it is moderating the acceleration of the car so that it gives a higher mileage. And the sports mode is the exact opposite. It boosts the acceleration so that my initial pickup and acceleration becomes high. Then I have the speed limit button. When I press the speed limit button, I can see the S limit LED over here glow in magenta color, which tells me that the car is now honoring a speed limit. And to set that speed limit, I can use the nexcruise mobile app. So this is a quick demonstration of the features of the nexcruise. I hope you like the product, and this is Akash signing off.